Okay, so now we're gonna let's press 1 to see in this mode. Uh, let's just continue shaping it a little bit, and I'll finish hopefully this little tutorial with the eye. I think there's some kind of loss of continuity in the curves. We have to make sure that even in the one non-relaxed surface option is these guys are actually smooth as well, no? So be careful you don't select in the pack. It's very useful as well. Um, let's create these curves um, more continuous, so they follow like a pattern. Um, it's probably better to select them by touching them, not dragging a window. But anyway, I don't think it's that bad. Let's even take it further here. Create on shaping that curve, so we know that when we press 3, it's going to be even smoother. Let's see how this is doing. If we press 1, you see this is totally straight. We should be able to take it out and take it down to make that more neatly, as you can see. Probably a little bit up here and 1, and probably this guy should come in, control in, and this one too is gonna not too nicely done. Okay, probably in the back, this one should go a little bit here. This one should go a little bit to the back. This one's as well to the back. Now this is not smooth at all. Stick it in. Probably this one a little bit in too. Anyway, it's quite straight. Okay, I think it looks better. Let's go with the eye a little bit. Pressing 1. Probably, well, this is kind of coming out too much. Let's fix this too. Let's fix this too, so this also has that curvature that we want to have. There we go. It's nice, a little better. Let's take this one in. Perfect. Okay, how do we do the eye in a very quick way? Afterwards, gonna take more of a editing point, of course. Let's get rid of the grid. It's kind of disturbing us. Let's go to object mode, select the object, and basically select faces. Select the two faces that we want the eye placed pretty much, and you know, extruded. In a, as you know, shift right click, or you can go to edit mesh and extrude. And basically, as you know, the gizmo changes to that. So we take a little bit out, and then by pressing Control and the square here, we just reduce it a little bit. Press 3, we have kind of like the eye already. It's fantastic. Press 1 again, or what we need to do is introduce, let's get rid of the gizmo for the extrusion and press Q. We need to go to object mode, select the object, and shift right click to insert an edge. And we want one in the center area, and probably close to it. If we press 3, what we have done is let's press Q to get rid of that. So we have created another edge loop here surrounding the two extrusions, and now we can press W to move the edge and pull it in a little bit as much as we want. It's kind of cool. We pull it in so we have that interior type of shape from the eye. So yeah, it's pretty much done. I mean, of course, you need to now go to edges again and make sure that in the one probably has. I would always mix from 1 to 3, because if you change points, let's get this down. Probably need to take this one up. If it looks good in the one shortcut, it looks good for sure in the 3. That's the goal of all. You can take this one down and out. So it's pretty much here in this area. This one is good. This one's good. You can take all of these points up a little bit. Make sure that I'm selecting in the back, is like I did here probably, because I kind of destroyed this poor guy. Anyway, let's take it down. Perfect. What we need to do is, for example, make sure that there's more of a mark, less of a mark here than it is here. Press 3, we have kind of like the same mark. So in order to control that, in the shaded, but you guys should see it better. There's a point there that marks the in between when we create this edge loop here. We're gonna pull it out. So just move it around, and when you press um, the 3 option, you will see it more carefully. Okay, select this one, take it out here. 3, it's quite what you want to do. Okay, little by little, we're getting there, I think. Probably these guys go even down and out a little bit, and you see this is coming out like this. All these curves should be kind of continuous, so we probably in this point we're in a good position of inserting another edge loop. Be careful with the insertions because it kind of modifies all the geometry, so we can place it around here and place Q to get out of that, and vertex again, and start playing with each of these points and moving them so they create a continuous shape, pressing in and out, and some of these guys should come out, so there's this continuity as well. So the more continuity of the curves in this sense, the better. Sometimes check the one so there's no vertex like messing around. This one is kind of smooth. Probably this one, I want to take it out a little bit, or this one is probably the one giving more trouble. There we go. There we go. Probably out. Good. Kind of looks good. Of course, probably this guy's, because the nose in this area is sharper. We can take now the whole thing and pull it out again a little bit. Nice, nice. I think we're doing okay. Probably in the one mode we should pull out this guy out. Press 3, see what happened. Yeah, so it's sharper. Go to 1 again and just make this detail like closer. There's some control here, so there will be less of a jump here, so it's nicer. The nose is totally messed up. We need to work with this new pawn that we have created here and make sure that that's a continuous line, pulling up and down, and so and so. I think we're getting there. Probably this is flatter, is not so much of that expression. So let's put it out a little bit as well, and as well here, and a little bit here. So as you can see, it's just a matter of working the vertex and inserting only in very specific moments are in edge loops. So we probably need one here because this is kind of coming out. So the way to do would be, as select the object, after object mode, insert edge loop. We probably want one here, following this line, and Q vertex, and start moving vertex again to create that kind of a field there. Be careful with the changes. The more vertex, the more kind of shading or more deformations of the body happens. More points you have to move. Okay, I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna do the lips afterwards, and change the materials in the last tutorial. Okay.